A major defeat for President Biden today as the U.S. Supreme Court struck down his coronavirus vaccine mandate for large businesses. Governor McMaster called that decision a victory for the rule of law and the Constitution. So what does all of this mean for businesses? Kaylin Hagwood tonight with a closer look.
A sigh of relief by some in the business community as Biden's vaccine or testing requirement for large employers is halted by the High Court. Bob Morgan is the president of the State Chamber of Commerce.
If you're already short workers, say 10%, and if you have to implement a vaccine mandate, perhaps you think you're going to lose another 10%. You're going to dig that hole even deeper. And so companies are trying to do everything they can to keep people healthy and to keep the doors open. And we think the Supreme Court made the right decision.
Despite this, many businesses are still finding employees off the job as COVID cases reach record highs. Hospitalizations are also on the rise, something the White House hoped the mandate would help. Still, the vaccine requirement for healthcare workers receiving Medicare and Medicaid remains, something White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki says could be life-saving.
It will cover 17 million healthcare workers at 76,000 medical facilities. The Supreme Court upheld it, and we will enforce that.
Prisma Health Hospital says it plans to comply, but even some nursing home staff are weary despite cases rising in their facilities. The American Healthcare Association saying, quote, "We respect the ruling but remain concerned caregivers in vaccine-hesitant communities may walk off the job."
We still strongly support and encourage for people to get vaccinated, but it's going to take additional time, unfortunately, it appears.
Kaylin Hagwood, News 19, WLTX.
Now, some of you may be wondering if the Supreme Court's decision today will affect you if your employer already has a vaccine requirement in place. David Dubberly, an employment and labor lawyer, has that answer tonight.
The government wanted to mandate that all employers do this. And the court said, yeah, that's just really too broad. But if in whatever industry it is, believes appropriate for their workplace, they can certainly require that their employees be vaccinated and or that they test negative.
Now, Dubberly adds that there can be exceptions for disabilities or religious reasons.